Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 Star. So in this video I'll be explaining the problem building race. So it says two friends, Chef and Chefina, are currently on floors A and B respectively. They hear an announcement that prizes are being distributed on the ground floor. So decide to reach the ground floor as soon as possible. But they have given Chef can climb down X floors per minute, while Chefina can climb down Y floors per minute. So determine who will reach the ground floor first, that is floor number 0. Um, in in case both reaches the ground floor together, print both. So basically, yeah, you'll have to print who has reached the ground floor first. If Chef, then you'll have to print Chef. If Chefina, then you'll have to print Chefina. So let's take the input and then I'll explain you on the board how to what is the problem statement and how do we solve this. So first we are taking inputs. So we have test cases. So for every test case we'll call a function solve, and in solve we will have four integers a, b, x and y. A, b, x, y. So let's take their input values and let's go down to the example. They've given four examples. In first example all the values are 2. Let me explain you what it is. So yeah, we have here all 2, which means a is 2, b is 2, x is 2 and y is also 2. Here what does it means is that we have let's say floor building we have, and this is ground floor and its level is 0. So let us consider this as level 0. This is level 1, this is level 2 and this is level 3. So this is level 0, this is level 1. You can think of this as floors and these are ceilings. So now both Chef and Chefina are at the second floor. So they are both at this floor, Chef and Chefina. So they'll have to reach here at the ground floor. And in question what they have said is they can climb down, x floors per minute. Chef will be, this is Chef's speed, and this is Chefina's speed. So Chef can climb down at x floors per minute and Chefina can do in y floors per minute. So since both of them has 2 only, so let's say in 1 minute Chef will come to first floor and he'll come to second floor because 2 floors will be getting down. So Chef has reached here. So in the same time Chefina will also, like, both will go simultaneously, and she also has 2 floors per minute speed, so she will also reach here. So in this case if you see both have reached at the same time, so in this case we'll have to return both, right? This is the thing. So how do we solve mathematically? If you try to solve this mathematically, it would be something like chef time will be given by, since he is at 8th floor and his speed is x, so which will be basically the a by x minutes. This is the time required by chef to get down. So if you try to put the values, we have 2 by 2, which is 1. So in 1 minute he'll reach ground floor. In the same way, Chefina's time will be, since she is at B floor and her speed is y, so in problem they are going to do both of 2. She is at second floor and her speed is 2 floors per minute, so it is also 1. So we have 1 minute. So both of them will reach in 1 minute, so we'll have to return both. Let's try to take in first case we have both answer. Let's try to take second example, 4215. So we have 4215. So let me put you one more thing here. Like, I just wanted to visualize this example and then we can put in formula. So chef is at 4th floor. So let's take building here. and Chefina is at second floor. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, let's take 5, 6 also as well. So this is ground floor. So now chef is at here and Chefina is at second floor. So now chef speed is 1 floor per minute. So chef will take how many minutes? 1 minute will be spent, so he'll come to third floor. In other minute he'll come to here. This is the third minute and this is fourth minute. So in 4 minutes, chef will reach the ground floor. What is the Chefina speed? So if you try to see here, Chefina's speed, she's at second floor and her speed is 5 floors getting down per minute. So if you try to think of, I'll take this in negative, -1, -2, -3. So if you try to think of this is 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor, 4 floor and 5 floor. So in 1 minute she will reach to -1, but in the question it is not given as minus, till 0 only we have, which means if you try to think of she's like per minute how many per floor how many times she is taking. If you try to think of, so if you try to divide this 2 by 5, this will give you 0.4, right? Yeah, 0.5 will go. So I mean not 0.4, I think 20, it is 0.4 only, but since this is not correct. I think it will be 1 by 5. Why 1 by 5? Because for one floor, in order to reach one floor, I mean from second floor to reach third floor, how much time she requires, since she is traveling only one floor, and as we know, in 1 minute of time she will travel 5 floors. So if you do 1 by 5, this is 0.2. So which means ideally she is taking only 0.2 minutes to travel one floor. And when I am doing 2 by 5, which means it is 2 times of 2.4, which means she is traveling to the ground floor, one step and two step. So in one step she is taking it a 0.2 time. In second step she is taking again 0.2 time. So the time required by her is only 0.4 minutes. So which is way lesser than 4 minutes. So in this case, Chefina, she will reach first and she'll get the price. So how do you solve mathematically? Let's try to put it. A is 4 and x is 1. So this will give you 4. But here b is 2 and y is 5. So this will give you 0 ideally if you try to do integer division, but we will be doing float division. We'll convert this 2 to float. So you will be getting 0.4. So basically in this case time is in point also it is valid. So I think you guys got to know. So let me take you here. So float time chef's time is basically a, I'll typecast a to float, a by x, and Chefina's time is b by y. So we'll have to compare if time of chef is equal to time of Chefina. So both of them are reaching at the same time. So we'll have to output both. Else if we'll have to check chef time, if it is lesser than time of Chefina, which means chef is reaching first, right? So we'll have to output chef. Else obviously if times are not equal and chef's time is not lesser, then obviously Chefina's time will be lesser. So in that case we'll have to output Chefina. Let's try to run the code. Here we're getting both Chefina, chef which is required. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. So basically in this the crux of the problem was that you will have to do float division. So if you try to do because in points also they have considered the answers, so that is the reason. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.